Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in an Agar kettle. Start by filling the kettle with about 2 cups of water and heat to just below boiling. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to help the egg white coagulate quickly. Crack each egg into a small ramekin, stir the water slowly to form a whirlpool, then slide the egg in and cook for 3 minutes for a runny yolk. In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in an Agar kettle. Prepare each egg in its own small bowl to check for shells. Bring the kettle water to a steady simmer, not a rolling boil, to prevent agitation. Stir gently to make a vortex, then slide the egg into the center and let it poach undisturbed. Use a slotted spoon to lift and drain before serving on toast or salad. In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in an Agar kettle. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has smart voice control and reliable cleaning that saves time after breakfast messes. I find it especially handy when you want to focus on cooking rather than sweeping up crumbs. If you like helpful kitchen tips, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in an Agar kettle. After poaching, gently transfer eggs to a paper towel to remove extra water. Plate the egg over buttered toast or a salad and season with salt and pepper for immediate flavor. Try variations like adding lemon zest, chopped herbs, or a dash of hot sauce to change the profile. Enjoy a restaurant-style poached egg at home in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.